Our next stop is going to be the Grand Floridian Resort. If standing, please hold on to those silver handrails and never let against your back doors. Thank you.
And we're at the Polynesian. We're going to do a one last video before we call it quits tonight. We're heading over to the Magic Kingdom and then over to the Contemporary Resort. So we'll get a little film if we can. Right now we're on the monorail. Monorail yellow. Hopefully we get a little bit of footage here tonight. Not sure how this is going to come out. We'll give it a shot. Heading over right now to the Grand Floridian. That should be coming into play soon. And they got the DVC pool down there.
That one over there looks fun. Oh, wow. We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Please hold on to the handbrake and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops.
Another monorail coming by. Monorail orange.
From Magic Kingdom, with continued service to Disney's Contemporary Resort and the Transportation and Ticket Center. Please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand.
And if you make stops along the monorail, you're going to stop at different resorts along the way. I'm hand holding this guy. I took it out the last minute, so. That's a look from the monorail of the Grand Floridian Resort.
Please offer available seating as well as meeting special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handbrake and stay clear of the door. The monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you.
And it'll take time to load up some people and then we'll be on our way again. Years ago they used to let you sit up in the first car of the monorail, but since the accident they had here, they don't let anybody up there anymore. Not that I know of. And we're almost on our way.
Please stand clear of the door.
Welcome aboard Monorail Yellow. Our next stop will be Magic Kingdom. If standing, please hold on to those silver handrails and never let against your back doors. Thank you.
Yeah, remember it's the whole way around. You gotta go all the way around, get off, take the other one, and then tap.
And we're on our way.
For those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please.
Castle, the Contemporary Resort, Bay Lake Tower. And I don't have my gimbal out, so I'm not sure how this one's going to come out tonight, but it was an on-the-fly decision.
We are approaching our station at the entrance of Main Street, USA, gateway to the 6 main branches of Apache Nation. Smoking is not permitted at Apache Nation, except in the designated area outside the park entrance. If you are exiting, please hold on to the handle and stand clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the door is open. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop will be Disney's Contemporary Resort, with continuous service with transportation and tickets, and Disney's Polynesian Resort.
There's a ticket center out there. Parking is, you're going to go get your car out there. Everything else on this side is pretty much resorts and park. We're going to turn the camera now. We're going to start coming on up into the monorail station. And here we go into the monorail station. And tonight we're going to continue on through to the Contemporary Resort. Just taking a loop on the monorail tonight. Taking a night off at the parks.
We don't stop here.
There's Bubba over there.
Please remember to collect your belongings. Stay open by the hand. As you exit, please lower your head and watch your step. Thank you. When boarding, please move all the way across your car to make room for extras. Offer a very if you're standing, please hold on your seat. Don't be close to the mic. Thank you. As you board, please continue moving across your car to make room for extras. Our seats offer a bathing suit without needing special assistance. Hold on. Monorail will depart momentarily. Thank you.
I want to watch it. I watched it already. Oh, that's true.
And we're kind of staying here for a couple of minutes until we get everybody loaded, and then we're going to be off again. See if I can get Mickey Mouse out there. That's the 50th anniversary monorail decorations. Once the door closes, you'll see it better. Mickey and Minnie Mouse on the monorail gold over there.
Welcome aboard Monorail Yellow. Our next stop is Disney's Contemporary Resort. If standing, please hold on to those silver handrails and never leaning against the automatic doors. Thank you.
Veronica says for Memorial Weekend for my birthday to go to DC. She's like, Mom, come to DC. And she's like, what are you doing for your birthday? Disney? I don't know. I wonder about my birthday. Come to DC. We'll drive you guys around.
And we're off. Try to get a good view of Main Street. A little monorail blocking us over there, but other than that, we're getting ready to shoot down Main Street. And the Cinderella Castle in the background.
I got a good shot of it.
Hey! I want those. I can send them
shot of the Cinderella Castle, the Astro Orbiters,
I need to pick the photos now. See it? And he's in the J.
and Space Mountain. Behind Space Mountain's the new Tron ride. That ain't up and running yet. They're still working on it. I think they're getting close.
We're approaching the Green Canyon Concourse Station. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails and take clear of doors until the monorail stops completely.
And then the distance here, you got the Bay Lake Tower.
Watch your head and step.
That's a BBC resort. And we're getting ready to go into the Contemporary. And that's the bridge that connects the Contemporary to Bay Lake. And here's the Contemporary.
These are the wrong ones. I lost them. Yeah, but here's nothing.
See that? It's their house. It's not you.
Only saw like a Look. Look, the way you can see the pixels. See it?
And this is where we get out. We'll see you guys in a few minutes.